In this video, I'll show you some of the miniature fake foods I made for my nativity scene. You'll be surprised how easy they are and how realistic they look. Hi, I'm Theo. All these fake foods were made with things I found in my kitchen or my backyard. The tips I'll show you are good for whatever project you need miniature foods for, whether it's a nativity scene, a model castle, or even a dollhouse pantry or root cellar. Let's go through them one by one. Oh, but before we do that, a quick word about scale. The barrels that hold these miniature foods are made from XPS foam. They're 2.5 inches high with a diameter at the middle of about 2 inches. For reference, the Joseph Fontanini figurine is 5 inches high. Okay, so now back to the fake foods. Let's talk about each one. Starting with these oranges. They're just dried soybeans painted orange. These gnarly little apples are actually dried pyracantha berries. These nuts, or dry little fruits, are actually black peppercorns. By the way, you'll probably want to glue everything into place with clear glue, so everything stays together, so you can do this. These tomatoes are just dried soybeans painted red. I guess you could call these apples, but I think they look more like tomatoes. Maybe a different shade of red would work for apples. These little loaves of bread are simply dried chickpeas. Dried soybeans also look like little round rolls of bread. These plums are just juniper berries, or more specifically, the berries of eastern red cedar. I collected these berries on October 29th. These mangoes are just bean seeds painted in orangish yellow. These little tomatillos are just coriander seeds. These walnuts are actually nasturtium seeds. Or, painted yellow, they might pass for citrons. Painted green, they could be Kaffir limes. These tiny little pumpkins are the dried unripe berries of pokeweed, painted orange. These garlic bulbs are also dried pokeweed berries, painted white. I have a separate video about the pokeweed plant and how I collect those seeds. I'll include a link to it in the end screen. These potatoes are actually red adzuki beans, painted brown. I know what you might be thinking. Who has red adzuki beans lying around in their kitchen? Well, I actually did. Years ago, we tried to make homemade red bean ice cream. It was terrible. And the beans have been sitting in our pantry ever since. They finally came in handy for something. Okay, so that does it for my fake foods. If you have other ideas for things that look like miniature foods, leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and have fun with your projects.